Hi, Justin. Hi, Henry. I have a Halloween book that I wanted to read to you, and it is called Little Blue Truck's Halloween. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, you will see. Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Little duck in a tutu. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me. Oh, this is fun. Who's the queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? See who it is. Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me. What a scraggly hair. What funny teeth. Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oh, oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. Fun. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Ready? Oh, doing it the wrong way. Oh my. Oh, there we go. Cluck, it says the hen. It's me, it's me. The hen. A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Under the mask, who do you see? Nay, says the horse. It's me, it's me. Croak, says the toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Off comes the sheet. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo. It was the Little Blue Truck. The end. Oh, that was so fun. I hope you both enjoyed this story. Happy Halloween. Auntie Kate loves you.